how to cook fettuccine guys. First butter. Butter. And then chicken. Ada more chicken ha, kalas ada. Kalas. Chicken and mushroom. Yan, easy to cook ha. Aywa. Guys ha. And then half of chicken stock guys. How to cook fettuccine Italian pasta. Big pasta guys. Tinutuwa ko tong aking helper para hindi pa ko siya gagawa. Very easy to cook ha. Fettuccine pasta, Italian pasta guys. And then pasta is already boiled, only reheat guys. Yan guys, very easy to make. Hala. And then put white sauce. Put white sauce guys. Ako na gumawa niya white sauce guys. Cream and milk. Yan. Yan guys ha. Alas. Finish guys. Then I put now pasta guys. Oh. Put the oregano. Yan guys ha. Oregano. Oregano, aywa. Ayan guys, oregano guys. Yes. Ayan guys. Kasi boiling. And then parmesan. Parmesan kalas ada. Ayan guys ha, parmesan. More. Ayun, parmesan. Yan guys, ready na siya guys. Rating na tayo guys. Yummy. Guys, yummy na siya guys. Parmesan side and the top. And then little decoration guys. Yes. Wait up. Ready na siya guys. Fettuccine.
36, level number.
36 ha?
36.
Yan guys. Ready na siya guys. For pick up na. Ganyan naka-easy guys. Ang mo na fettuccine Italian pasta. Yan guys. Yummy. Only now kami salad ha? Ready na siya guys ha. I give to runner. Thank you guys for watching my vlog.